Nigel Maris, Managing Director and Founder of Assembled Electronic Solutions based in Stratford-on-Avon. I founded AES in 2009. Prior to that I had a proper job in a corporate role, but I wanted to fulfill an opportunity that I saw to develop a project engineering team that had all the elements needed to deliver a new product development. It's been a bit of a journey since day one. We started off initially designing and building electronic circuit boards. My personal background is in production and mechanical engineering rather than the electronics design. So not surprisingly, I got involved in things like the enclosures, the ergonomics, the product styling, and the design for manufacture. So the effect of the funding on AES has been quite significant. The main difference for us is that we've been able to match the funding and invest in quite expensive capital equipment, which has meant that we can bring overmoulding technology into the company. Also, on the back of the project, we've recruited further and we've expanded our own in-house design team. I would recommend it, but I think you need to talk to people that have been through the process and just understand what you're taking on in terms of the commitment. Once you've worked through it, it is rewarding and it will move your technology forward, but it is a big commitment and it affects time and resources.